Hello friends and followers. Well, it's Monday, March 24th. I just took this board out of the Omni 6 Plus. This one has the chip in it for the driver, and I believe this chip is toast. Anyway, I was able to unsolder this chip pretty easily this time. So I was able just to pop it out. There's where the new socket will go. I'm waiting for the mailman to come to give me a socket, but you can see the holes. It's ready for a nice socket there to go in. Yeah, so unsoldering this thing worked out pretty well. Just used the solder sucker and it worked out really well for that. At least I think the secret was there was no plating on top or bottom, so these would heat pretty evenly and just suck out the solder. So I got lucky, and I can just pop in that wire wrap, or that wire machine socket 18 pin when it comes in the mail today, and popped it in there. I still got chips from China coming, so those are taking time, but at least I'll get this part of it done, put the board back in the radio, and it's all done. So easy enough. All right, that's my little update. I know it's not very exciting. I'm kind of wondering how I align all these. You figure, how do these go here? 160, 80. How about 60 meters, 40, 30, 20, 15, 17, 21, 10. I don't know. I guess that works out, but I'm not sure how those all go. All right, that's my update. Yeah, this chip, I did supersede this thing with a stronger chip that I think will work out better. Yeah, it looks like that one part of the thing's damaged in the light, like it got some heat there, cooked or something. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day.